French fries. Deep frying produces acrylamide, potential cancer risk. High sodium increases hypertension. Trans fats damage arteries. High glycemic load spikes insulin. Promotes belly fat. Causes inflammation in blood vessels. Pepperoni pizza. Processed meat increases colon cancer risk. Refined crust spikes blood glucose. High cheese fat strains heart. Excess sodium stresses kidneys. Increases LDL cholesterol. Promotes long-term weight gain. Hot dog. Contains nitrates linked to cancer. High sodium raises blood pressure. Processed meat stresses digestive system. Saturated fat increases artery blockage. Lacks fiber, harming gut health. Increases heart disease risk. Milkshake. Extremely high sugar damages pancreas. Causes rapid blood sugar spike. Promotes fatty liver disease. Increases insulin resistance. Adds empty calories. Contributes to obesity. Soda. Liquid sugar overloads liver. Causes insulin spikes. Increases belly fat storage. Weakens tooth enamel. Raises type 2 diabetes risk. Promotes chronic inflammation. Ready to transform your lifestyle? Smash that subscribe button and let's crush your health goals together.